Hi, my name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share daily market analysis just before the market opens, and I'm just doing this from the comfort of my home, so please do not mind of this unprofessional setup. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started. So I have today only four stocks for you all guys. For 19 Feb, I have just assorted four stocks. Okay, the first stock that I have for you is a Visa. Okay, in Visa, let me draw the lines. In Visa, okay, these two levels are very crucial as of now. Okay, right now Visa is trading at, or the last traded price. Okay, the last traded price of Visa was 209.41. Okay, this was the last traded price, and this is the lowest price for the day, 205 level. So today, if the market opens in between this range, there's a high chance that market will open in between this range only, 205 to 2010 level. So if the market goes and touch this particular level of 205, and if it shows some reversal sign, okay, like a bearish engulfing pattern or a hammer, then you can go long. There is a possibility that after hitting this support zone, the market will bounce. And if the market opens in between 205 and 209 level, then after reaching 209 level, it may bounce or it may reverse from there. Then if you get clear signs of reversal, then you can short the market. Okay, and if market opens in between this range, or after opening here market, if it goes up and hits the 210 level, then there is a chance that market may reverse from there, because there is an extreme resistance available at this particular level, 210 level. So if you spot some resistance or reversal there, then also you can short the market and make some money. The next stock is the United Health Group. For United Health Group, I'll give you two levels only. Okay, United Health Group last traded price was 328.51, and in between 323 and 335, I'll say that you do not need to take any trade. Just see where the market opens today. If after opening the market goes up and hits the 335 level and fails to breach this particular level, then you can short the market. And if market breach this particular level comfortably and successfully stays above the level for 15 to 20 minutes, or if the market successfully trades above this 335 level for 15-20 minutes, then also you can go long. Okay, otherwise, if the market fails to sustain at this level, then you can short the market. Similarly, if market hits this 323 level and shows some reversal or bounce, then you can go long. And if market gives a breakdown, you can short the market. You just these two are the important levels. Okay, in between these two levels, you don't need to take any trade. The third stock I have is Nike. For Nike also, uh, let me, for Nike this will be a sorry, okay, Nike's last traded price was 145.02 level, and Nike this particular stock is standing right at the resistance level. So if the market opens gap down, and goes up, You just need to watch the behavior of the stock. If it fails to sustain, then you can short term market. And if it opens, suppose the stock opened above this 145.3 level, then we all know that market doesn't love gaps. So market may come down to fill the gap, and if it and that point of time, this particular resistance will act as support. Okay, and from here market may bounce off. From here market may bounce off. In that case, you can go long. Okay, and suppose market opens here 144 or 143 level, and if market gives a breakout also, then also you can go long. Just you need to make sure that market has given you a breakout with considerable amount of volume. Okay, if you have any other confirmation indicator or any pattern, then you can go for it. Confirmation is very important, you just need to keep in mind. So opening will be also very important. Just remember, if the market opens here and goes to this level, if it bounces from this level, then you know what to do. And if the market opens here, then it may come down to fill the gap and reverse from here. Okay. On the other hand, if the market comes down to this particular level, 141 level, because market has a support available at good amount of support available at 141 to 140, 140.4 level, 141.4 to 140, 141.4 to 140.4 level. Okay, the $1 gap. This $1 gap is a good support. This is a good support range for this particular stock. So if the market comes down to this level, if market bounces from here, then go long. Do not go short until unless market breaks this particular level. Okay, and that too comfortably. If market doesn't break, gives a breakout comfortably, then do not go short. Okay. The next stock is AMG. I don't know why I have selected this stock, but I like this kind of stock for small profits. Okay, you can see that right now Marhan, it has come down to this support zone. So if it bounces from here, then you can go for a small profit of right now trading at 232.57. Okay, if it bounces from 232 level, then you can buy for a target of $2, 234 level. Okay, small profit. This kind of stocks, yes, generally traders do not like this kind of stock, but this kind of stocks are also not that bad. It can give you small profit of $2, $3. Okay, in a short period of time. Okay, so if you spot a green candle here or a bullish engulfing candle, then go long. Your target will be 234. Generally, whenever volatility is very low, market gives a breakout, because market always moves from lower volatility to higher volatility. Similarly, high volatile to low volatile. Okay, so in that case, the volatility is very low. So whenever there's a low volatility, there's a chance that market will give a breakout or breakdown. Okay, so right now we don't know, but right now the market is consolidating, and in that consolidation phase also you can make money. So right now, if it hits the support of 232 level and gives a small bounce, go for it for a small profit. Okay, so that's it for today. And if you have liked the video and found it informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, because I always bring video just before the market opens. Thank you so much. And if you want to know more about me, and you can visit my website, the link is in the description. Thank you so much. See you on Monday.